Now you can see the final content of this chapter. PIL, Public Interest Litigation. PIL is a public interest litigation law which is protecting of fundamental right of public. Then the PIL is public interest litigation in the High Court or Supreme Court on behalf of those whose right were violated. Then public interest litigation who will deal with all the matters with the public cases have essential role in handling all the causes relating to the public interest. I can read here, you can see the public interest litigation are the litigations are conducted as per common interest of the public in order to solve the grievance. The public interest means the benefit or advantage of the community as whole. Litigation means process of taking legal actions in the court of the law with the objection, enforcing right or seeking remedies. Okay. Thus, legal actions initiated court law for the enforcing community has the pecuniary sum interest is known as public interest litigation. It is the use of law to raise issue the broad public concern order to the advance human rights and equality by adding the disadvantaged group individuals or the minority. Public interest litigation. Public interest litigation level 미망기 interest 여러와 어디래야 랑렌다 팀부터 주시해줘. 약간 대치고도. 미망기 어느 fundamental right 미상마기 fundamental right 미망이 시제기 토탄 순접치고 요리 아주 어디지. 이니부디나로야 수코리니 하이코리니 수빈 코리니 상말로 미망기 딘디 토탄디도 상모 디치스나 딜이야 가치고로 와이리디 치스나 딜이야 순접치고 해야죠. 당연히 public interest litigation the public case 요라 미망다 되어야 미망다 가시 minority 되는 강에 튕겨요 미망 망고지를 강에 되도 유지 the life is betterment to killie 줘봐 오들 public interest litigation 로 process public 아니 미망지 interest litigation 들 put in action 로 미망기 강에 튕겨 줘라 튕겨도니 강에 튕겨도 to bring in the betterment to ya put killie the public interest litigation 로 Now here the home assignment. At the time of the Kim Jong Shikuwa. Will write all textbook exercise and Loptina Lo Yogi, any Japan fill the blank MCQ Sama, TH. I question that some TH. These are the detailed content of elaborate your own word. And can contain the T in Kerang Harago to the Kerang seat on the TH. Make short notes on criminal and civil laws and short notes write about on the public interest litigation. What are the role of the judiciary? What are the three roles of judiciary? Distribute resolution, then second judicial review, then upholding the law, enforcement of fundamental right. What do you call it? Elaboration and the look to some of the and then if you have any doubt and queries, please ask me. Feel free. Whenever you have, you can ask me WhatsApp and Google Classroom. Thank you.